इसने आखिर में लफ्ज पर जोर दिया।
He stressed the word at the end. He stressed the word at the end.
नट निस्फ में तकसीम।
The nut split in half. The nut split in half.
घुसने वाले ने दरवाजे पर धकेल दिया।
The intruder pushed on the door. The intruder pushed on the door.
आप इससे निमटने के लिए जा रहे हैं।
You are going to have to deal with it. You are going to have to deal with it.
मैंने 5 साल मुल्क की खिदमत की।
I served the country for 5 years. I served the country for 5 years.
अपने कमरे में दाखिल होते ही उसे अजीब सा लगा।
He felt strange when he entered his room. He felt strange when he entered his room.
आप नसाबी किताब के मुताला में अपना वक्त ज़ाया कर रहे हैं।
You are wasting your time studying the textbook. You are wasting your time studying the textbook.
उसकी बेटी पहले से ज्यादा फरमानबरदार है।
Her daughter is more obedient than ever. Her daughter is more obedient than ever.
दोनों ने बेवक्त एक ही बात सोची।
They both thought the same thing at the same time. They both thought the same thing at the same time.